For me, being eco-friendly is a given.
In our everyday lives, nature plays a major role.
For us, trust and fairness go hand in hand.
Organic quality is important to me.
We are against animal testing.
We share these principles with our customers in almost 50 countries. LOGOCOS Naturkosmetik, in dialogue with man and nature. LOGOCOS, today that is 6 brands with more than 1,600 products and 300 employees. Since our inception, we have trusted in the vitality of nature. LOGOCOS Naturkosmetik stands for healthy and natural beauty.
To me, being genuine means simply being myself. It's true, it's authentic and reliable. This is naturalness to me. It may sound silly, but beauty comes from within, and it's important to be in harmony with yourself. To take care of what is already there. Everyone is beautiful anyway.
I certainly don't use makeup and mascara, but a simple body lotion or creams, why not?
Tagescreme, Nachtcreme benutze ich genauso. Warum nicht?
Natural beauty is the overall concept of LOGOCOS. Our products have made a great impact on the world of natural cosmetics and still continue to do so. Our expertise in the areas of natural care and cosmetics comes from decades of experience and development. We use the natural vitality of plants for new products and innovative applications. We offer a unique variety of brands and products for natural beauty.
LOGONA, traditional natural cosmetics from top to toe for the whole family.
Our shampoos contain special surfactants, which are adapted directly from nature. These surfactants are very mild and absolutely eco-friendly.
And I think this natural shampoo is just fantastic for my hair. After showering, I like to use a nice body oil or milk. It makes me feel refreshed and radiant. LOGONA's Mediterranean body lotion really smells of the Mediterranean.
I like to use oils you can eat, so I could take the oils I use in my work, especially in decorative cosmetics, to even make a salad.
SANTE, the expert in natural beauty. For me, it's very important to use colours that I can easily match, and SANTE offers the full palette. So I was looking for natural cosmetics without artificial colorants because they often cause irritations. I found SANTE mascara, which also contains some nurturing extracts, having a gentle effect on the eyes. Heliotrop, nature and science for beautiful skin at any age. 5 weeks from now, I'm having my second grandchild. It's a wonderful feeling. There are different types of cosmetics for every skin condition, and Heliotrop Multi-Active is the best choice for my skin, with amazing results, as you can see.
This is the aim of anti-aging products, to halt the aging of skin.
Neobio. Discover natural cosmetics with all your senses. I never thought there'd be anything as cool and trendy as neobio. It's fashionable and it looks good. And the wonderful ingredients like cherry blossoms, magnolia or apricot kernel oil feel great on your skin.
We don't use any preservatives or substances that might enter through the skin and harm the body.
AQUABIO, anti-aging care with the best nature has to offer. At the age of 25 or 30, you don't really care too much about your skin. But as you get older, you start using anti-aging products. I usually look for natural cosmetics, and I found AQUABIO to be fantastic.
Emotion ist Kosmetik.
Cosmetics are like emotions. Using natural cosmetics is like changing to a different medium.
Produkte zu nehmen, die
Products that can also arouse emotions and be fun, but different because of the eco-friendly component.
durch die ökologische Komponente.
FITNE, natural healthcare. Sometimes when I'm stressed, I think, now you're really down. So I take the Bach flower elixir from FITNE and I feel balanced and good again. We look at the world around us. We look at the people around us. In close dialogue with our customers, we receive a lot of input by people who simply write or call us saying, I found this conventional product. Couldn't you bring it out without chemicals?
Irgendwo ein Produkt gesehen, aber das ist ein rein konventionelles Produkt, geht das nicht auch ohne Chemie?
Da muss man dann erstmal Beispiele.
In this case you have to find examples in nature, or you might have to combine things to get there.
Sachen kombinieren, dahin zu kommen.
And this simply requires a lot of experience and many experiments.
Experimentieren.
Beauty, well-being and quality in harmony with nature unite LOGOCOS Naturkosmetik and its customers.
To me, it's self-evident to preserve nature and use available resources wisely.
Economics only work on a sound environmental basis. The more this is acknowledged, the more man and nature will prosper. It's fantastic and dead easy.
Das ist ja das Fantastische, das ist ja kein Hexenwerk.
Responsibility and sustainability are fundamental concepts in the company philosophy. LOGOCOS's activities are based on 5 major ideas. Environment. We take responsibility for our planet. We use only natural ingredients and are against genetically modified or radioactive irradiated raw materials or packaging. Our production process is eco-friendly, as is our packaging. Nature. We trust in nature's vitality. We use raw materials from controlled organic farming and wild harvesting. We rely on pure vegetable oils and active ingredients and have our own production of plant essences. We do not use paraffins, parabens or silicons, nor synthetic preservatives or colorants. Responsibility. Responsibility and fairness are synonymous to us. We are an organically grown company providing family-friendly working conditions. We maintain fair relationships with our customers and suppliers and are socially committed on a local and global scale. We support social and fair trade projects. Organic quality. We guarantee certified organic quality made in Germany. We build on decades of our experience in the development of natural cosmetics. Quality control of raw materials and a German-based production are our top priorities. Our products are certified by independent institutions and come with international labels guaranteeing the highest quality of natural cosmetics. Humanity. For us, humanity begins where animal testing ends. We disapprove strongly of animal testing and support alternative testing methods. We use traditionally approved raw materials and also offer a broad range of vegan products.